What's up everyone, KSG Vlogs here, and today we are doing a garage door video, but here's our brand new garage door. We got it. They replaced that cord, that ugly cord, which is now in this garbage bin. Oh, there's other stuff in there. Never mind. Here's the new tracks and everything. Here's the new torsion springs. We got the same opener as usual, and it's much quieter than the other one. There's just saying something. Anyways, let's open it. You're gonna be surprised. Oh, it just got really bright. For some reason, it's a little bright out there. Look how much snow there is. Hey, Jesus. Anyways. It is so quiet. So extremely quiet. It opens much farther now, too. Look at this. It's completely open. Look at that. Amazing. Yeah, we got the new trusses and stuff. Or we don't have three trusses on this door. We only got one at the top, which is right here. And yeah. Oh, we can do an outside view now. Look at that. It completely closes up. See, does the keypad work? Yeah. It sounds amazing. And we just got this yesterday. So this is a much better improvement. Gonna turn off the lights. And I did an outside view for you guys. Anyways, guys, this is the end of this video. Like, subscribe, and share. And goodbye.